In this video, you are going to see how to freeze row and columns in Google Sheet. Here I have some data in Google Sheet. If I go down, you will see my top row is not frozen. So if I want to freeze the top row, just go to View, go to Freeze, click on row. Then the top row will be frozen. If I go down, you will see I can easily see the title. Now if you want to freeze the custom area, just select the cell. Now go to View, go to Freeze and click on up to row 4 and you will see my custom area has been frozen. Now if you want to uncheck it, go to View, go to Freeze and click on no rows. Then it will be like the previous. Now if you want to freeze the column, go to View, go to Freeze and click on column. Then you will see I have successfully frozen the left column. If you want to freeze the custom column, suppose I want to freeze these 3 columns. So click on over here, go to View, go to Freeze and click on up to column D and you will see I have frozen the custom area. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.